Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you swisscom.box reset. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To reset your Swisscom device such as internet box or TV box, what you need to do is first reset your internet box. Resetting your internet box will erase all custom settings including Wi-Fi names and password. Ensure you have backed up any important configurations before proceeding. So what you need to do is locate the reset button, find the smallest reset button on the back of your internet box. The button is often recessed and may require a pointed object like a paper clip to press, then perform the reset. Then you can also use the Swisscom app for assistance. What you need to do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search bar and type in Swisscom, and then look for an icon like this and then tap on it, and once you're inside here, tap on get to successfully download the app. Once you are here, tap on open, and now be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, you can navigate to the support section and then follow the on-screen instructions to troubleshoot or reset device as needed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.